Apply one time and turn white hair to black instantly. 100% working. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to turn white hair to black hair. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 2 teaspoons of henna powder, 3 teaspoons of water. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to apply this recipe on your white hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.